welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to create a website from scratch. In this video, we will walk you through the process step by step, from planning your website to launching it to the world. The first step in creating a website is to plan it out. Determine the purpose of your website, who your target audience is, and what content you will need to create. Once you have a plan in place, it's time to choose a website builder. There are many options available, but for the purposes of this video, we will be using WordPress, a popular and user-friendly platform. To get started with WordPress, you will need to create an account. This is a simple process that involves providing your email address and creating a password. Once you have an account set up, it's time to choose a domain name for your website. This is the address that people will use to access your site, so choose something that is easy to remember and relevant to your content. Now that you have your domain name set up, it's time to start building your website. WordPress has many templates to choose from, or you can create your own design from scratch. Once you have a design in place, it's time to start adding content to your website. This can include pages about your products or services, blog posts, and more. As you add content, it's important to optimize it for search engines. This means using keywords and phrases that people are likely to search for when looking for your products or service. In addition to optimizing your content, it's important to ensure that your website is user-friendly. This means having a clear navigation menu, easy-to-read font, and a consistent design. Once you have your website set up and your content added, it's time to test it out. Be sure to check for broken links, spelling errors, and make sure it is mobile-friendly. Now that you have a fully functioning website, it's time to launch it to the world. Be sure to promote your website through social media, email marketing, and other channels. Congratulations, you have successfully created a website from scratch. With a little bit of planning and some help from WordPress, anyone can create a professional-looking website in no time. Working with WordPress can seem overwhelming at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's a powerful tool for creating and managing your website. Here are some basic steps to help you get started with WordPress. Install WordPress. Before you can start using WordPress, you'll need to install it on your website. Many web hosting providers offer one-click WordPress installation, so check with your provider to see if this option is available. Choose a theme. WordPress allows you to customize the look and feel of your website with themes. Themes are pre-designed templates that you can use to create a unique design for your website. There are many free and paid themes available in the WordPress theme repository, or you can create your own custom theme. Install plugins. Plugins are like apps for your website, adding extra functionality and features. WordPress has a huge repository of plugins available, ranging from simple tools like contact forms to complex e-commerce solutions. Be careful when choosing and installing plugins, as too many can slow down your website. Create pages and posts. WordPress allows you to create and manage pages and posts easily. Pages are typically used for static content, like your homepage or contact page, while posts are used for dynamic content, like blog articles. You can add images, videos, and other media to your pages and posts to make them more engaging. Customize your website. WordPress has many customization options available, including menus, widgets, and custom CSS. You can use these tools to create a unique design for your website and make it stand out from the crowd. Manage your website. WordPress makes it easy to manage your website, with tools for updating your content, moderating comments, and monitoring your site's performance. You can also install security plugins to help protect your website from hackers and other threats. Working with WordPress can be a rewarding experience, allowing you to create a professional-looking website without needing advanced technical skills. With a little bit of practice and experimentation, you'll be able to master the basics of WordPress and create a website that meets your needs. Thank you for watching this guide on how to create a website from scratch. We hope you found it helpful and are inspired to start building your own website today.